Hi, I am Daniela, and in this video I'm going to show my commerce project. Here I have the list of specifications, and let's start with the models. As you can see, my application has 5 models, bits, categories, comments, listing, and of course users. The next requirement is the creation of a new listing. To create a listing, I have to write some information. For this example, I'm going to try to sell this ball. I need a title, a description, and categories, in this case sport, and photo, on the price. Um, then comes the active listing page. My application lets users see all of the currently active auctions listing. And this page shows the title, description, current price, and photo of each listing. The fourth requirement is a listing page. On that page, we are able to see all details about the listing. And if we are logging in, we can add a listing to our watch list. For example, at this moment, I have one product on my list and I'm going to add one more. I can also remove it. If I am not logging in, that option doesn't even appear for me. I cannot bid, comment, or close a bid. I am going to log in again. I am also able to bid on the item as long as the value is not less than the price. If I type a higher value, the price is updated. However, with a lower value, I get an error message. Also, I am also going to leave a message. Only the seller is able to close the bid. In this case, I have to change the account because the seller is Leo. Then Leo closes the bid and the item is not longer available. The page notifies the winner with a message. The next requirement is Watchlist. Each user has their own watchlist. From here, I can also access to the listing. Category. I can also visit the item by category. At this moment, I have 5 categories. To see the active listing in this kids toys category, I just have to click on it. If I close the bid on an item, this item is not longer appear in the search results. And finally, via Django admin interface, I can add, edit, delete any listing, comments, and bits. Let's delete an listing. Well, that is my project. Thanks for watching.